Hello, friends. It's Wednesday, and that means it's Midweek News Day. Today is May the 24th, 2023, and this is episode number 26. That's right, folks. We've made it 6 months of weekly midweek news. Let's get started. First up, Windows Copilot Personal Assistant is coming for Windows 11. Long live Clippy. This seems like just the artificial intelligence reimplementation. We'll see what it ends up being when it's finally released. Bing Search is coming to ChatGPT. It seems that OpenAI and Microsoft have jumped into bed together. The result will be the idiot bastard son nobody wanted. Sorry, folks, just had to slip a Frank Zappa reference in this morning. Apple has struck up a new deal with Broadcom for components made in the US. For all the negative things that could be said about Apple, I do appreciate the direction they're going to bring back and or use manufacturing in the US. So kudos to you, Apple. The 5 best AI video generators 2023 edition. Well, this could make video creation on YouTube a little more interesting if we can custom generate clips from AI to use in our videos. We'll see where this all goes. I'll definitely be experimenting with it. Finally, Microsoft is supporting RAR, GZ, and tar files in Windows natively. Considering how long it took them to support multiple desktops and a package manager for software installation, I'm really not surprised it took them until 2023 to add this support. Let's see if this kills WinRAR in the process. A new first-class Mastodon client called Ivory has been released for macOS. I don't know if any of you out there are refugees from the Twitterverse, but I rather enjoy playing on Mastodon, and it's worth checking out if you haven't done so. Apple WWDC 2023. The keynote is happening June 5th at 10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, but the real fun starts at 1:30 p.m. Pacific, 4:30 p.m. Eastern, with the platform's State of the Union address. Definitely worth checking out. That Windows File Explorer redesign I mentioned a few weeks back might actually make it into Windows 11. Will this really have something of value packed into it, or will it just be lipstick on a pig like so many other areas of the Windows 11 experience? Time will tell. Download the Windows 10 22H2 ISO image with May 2023 cumulative updates applied. The initial 22H2 update was released in November. Save yourself some time if you still have Windows 10 machines you are maintaining. I will be updating my Ventoy sticks later today. Are you curious about the Windows 11 Moment 3 update? Check out this article from neowin. There are a few nice enhancements available here that should have really been included in the original Windows 11 release from 2021. But hey, at least we're finally getting them now. And last but certainly not least, Fedora Onyx is welcomed to the Fedora 39 family with a Budgie Desktop. For those unfamiliar with an immutable system, it's never modified after deployment. Components are only replaced, not changed. Really changes the way we've all come to think about Linux updates, and definitely worth checking out. Maybe not as your daily driver, but something to keep your eye on for the future. I wouldn't be surprised if more Linux distributions start moving in this direction. And on that note, we have come to the end of another Midweek News. I want to thank you all for watching. You know what to do down below the video, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.